Rank Math SEO has a cool feature called SEO Analyzer. So let's use this feature to analyze the SEO of our website. So it's on Rank Math SEO and SEO Analyzer. So you will see this type of design here. Just click on Start SEO Analyzer and it will scan our whole website and give us the current result of SEO. Okay, currently its SEO score is 74 by 100. So if we check here, we can see all the issues. And first high priority one is automatically update. So let's enable auto update of this plugin. And now here we have lot of issues and let's fix one by one to fix all issues. So here we have warning. It's a H1 heading. No H1 tag was found on your home page. So let's add the H1 tag. To do that, I click on visit site. From here I click on edit with Elementor. Here if we check this text, this is the main text of our website and it's a HTML tag as H2. Let's make it H1 and click on publish. Then this error will be fixed. Also in H2 headlines, more than 20 H2 tags were found on your home page. So let's keep only subheadings as H2 and let's fix all of those issues. So to do that, I will first copy this text and let's see. Actually it's this one. So we already make it as H1 and here we have dedicate your family cell. So we have to go one by one. So let's keep this as H2 because this is a subheadline. And here we have 100% as H2. So let's here is the 100%. Let's click on it and let's make it as H3. So in HTML tag we can have H3, H4, H5, H6 and div, span tag and PO paragraph tag. We have to make this HTML page structure SEO friendly by following the SEO guidelines. So it will help to rank our website on Google. And let's click here, then let's make H3 and actually I think we add lot of H2. Let's make all of them as H3. So here we will have any issues. On here we have lot of H2. So I click on save and leave. And here we can edit the template. So let's edit it. First we have H2 here, make it H3 and make this one H3, H3 paragraph. Okay, now I click on publish and click on save and back. Okay, nice. Now if I scroll down here again we have lot of H2s, make them H3. And if we do it on the designing part, this will be easy, but now we have to do it manually. So I will make this as paragraph. Also this one should be paragraph and this one is H3 is okay. And here make this as paragraph. No, here this should make as paragraph and here this should be H3 or H4. H3 will be okay. And also I think we have to edit this template too, so let's edit it. Okay, now first this name should be H2 and H3 and this should be HPO paragraph tag. Then I click on save and back, and here also we will have to make this H3 and H4, see, H3, H4. Okay, now I click on publish and let's see it fix those issues or not. So now here I click on restart SEO analyzer. Okay, it become 82, and so try to make this SEO score more than 80%. So now we have to add all tag to the images. So we can copy this SRT tag and paste it like this and see the icon. So here it's this icon, so it's on the header. Click on it to edit the header. Okay, now click here and add the alt text. Just copy the title and put the alt text like this and click on publish. Then I click on edit page to edit the home page. Okay, now I am back. So the easy way is, let's go to dashboard, and on dashboard we can find media. Click on media library, and here we will have the images. Only we have to do is click on edit, and here we can add alt tag. So let's add it like social banner. Click on update, go back again. Actually it's more easy when we click on this gallery icon and the images will be show like this, and now we can add like this, right, like this. This is the easy method. Just add it like this, request appointment and clock icon. So I will add all of those icons and see you soon. Okay, now if we check it again, we will have better result. So click on reset, restart SEO analyzer. Okay, we still have lot of h2 tags, and yes, yeah, we have to edit this footer too. On the footer we also have lot of h2 tags. So click on footer, click on save and leave. Okay, now let's edit all of them. This should be paragraph, and here this should be paragraph. Oh, we can add h2, but let's add paragraph. Oh, see, we have lot. And here let's make this as h3, and here also let's make this as h3, and the copyright section will be paragraph. Click on publish, and now let's check it again. Okay, now it's 91, and this is pretty good. So here we have link ratio, so we have to add more external links, but for now I will not going to add them, and for now the 91 is much better than before.